Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by focusing on the bottom right corner of your screen. Click the network icon on the taskbar to open the network list and quick actions. If you do not see Wi-Fi, click the upward arrow to reveal hidden icons. Look for the Wi-Fi tile and make sure it is toggled on. If airplane mode is on, click it to toggle airplane mode off. Now you will see available networks listed by their names. Find the network name you want and click on it to reveal the Connect button. Click Connect and wait for the password prompt to appear on your screen. Type the correct network password using proper capitalization and symbols, then click Next to proceed. If asked, choose Yes to allow your PC to be discoverable on private networks. Wait while Windows authenticates and assigns an IP address automatically via DHCP. If connection problems persist, open Start and go to Settings, then Network and Internet. Click Status and run the Network Troubleshooter to let Windows diagnose common issues automatically. If needed, select Change Adapter Options to enable or disable the Wi-Fi adapter manually. Open Device Manager to check the Wi-Fi driver version and update it if newer drivers are available. You can also forget the network and reconnect to clear cached credentials and resolve authentication faults. Restarting your router or PC often restores connectivity quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.